The pain, the agony.
Mom, what on earth happened to her?
She slipped while coming out of the shower.
My son, don't worry about me. It will be fine. Where are the kids? My angels, I love you very much. Take care of yourselves, please. Take care of them, Jose. You must, Jose.
Don't talk like this, Mom.
You're the only one who will. Take me away.
Come along, come
Take
along.
me away.
Take care of her, please. Who's that?
Are we expecting anyone?
No.
Strange. Let me see.
Hi, Grandma.
Hello, sweetheart. How are you?
Oh, I'm all good.
You're looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Who is it, Maria? Oh, what a surprise. Teresa.
Pleasant surprise, I hope.
Hi, Mom.
My son, I've come to spend a few days with you. I hope there's no problem with that.
No, of course not. My house is your house.
Oh, I know.
We need to sort this.
Everything is fine.
Don't worry, I'm on it.